Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the November Boxycharm. I honestly can't even believe it's November. I'm gonna set up my Christmas tree today. Anyways, we're gonna unbox it. This box is amazing. I really like it. It's super relevant to me because the theme is gold digger and I just got my nails gold. So it's just like super relevant. But I'm really excited about this box. I'm gonna be unboxing the November Boxycharm. As I kind of mentioned, the theme is gold digger. So this theme is like, I didn't realize what the theme was until I started like unboxing it. And like everything matches. I just got my nails done and they're like gold and sparkly. And so as I was unboxing this, I was like, oh, this matches my nails. This matches my nails. What a mood. What a mood. And then I like looked at the theme and I was like, oh my gosh. Gold is definitely like the theme of the month for everything. Like, I don't know, I guess me and Boxycharm are really just feeling gold. I just thought I'd mention that. I just want to say, if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have a link at the top of my description if you guys are interested in it. It does help me out if you click that link. But Boxycharm is like $20 a month, but you usually get $100 to $200 worth in product. So it's a really great deal and I love it. But today I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got in my November box. I already took a peek, like I said, but I didn't really look at anything like too in depth. The first thing are some brushes and like I said, lots of gold. So I'm definitely feeling it. So this is by the brand Luxie. And I think I've got some brushes by them before in Boxycharms. They sell for $21. First of all, this packaging is amazing. Like I said, I'm really just feeling gold lately. I don't know what it is, but I'm just really loving gold. So that's what the brush handles look like. They're gold and sparkly and they feel like really cool. Like they're like, I don't know how to explain it. They're like kind of textured. But yeah, that's what they look like. So they look super cool, really sleek and very, I love how these look for the holidays. Like I feel like there's something about gold glitter that just really gets you like, it's like holiday themed, you know? So like using these in November and December will definitely put you in that like holiday mood. So the first one is the mini tapered, it's the 121. It's just like a little like kind of like fluffy sort of brush. They're really soft. I really like the quality of these. They feel really good. Kind of small, but I think it would be good if you want like precise like blending or something. But yeah, I really like that. And then the next one's like a little like pencil brush, it looks like. I think that would be nice. And then you've got like a little angled one. I love those little angled ones. So it's literally called mini angled. This one would be really nice too. I'm not really sure exactly what I would use all of these for, but I feel like they're all very different from anything that I actually own. So I feel like these are actually all really nice to have in my collection because all of my brushes are pretty basic. I keep looking over here because I'm like looking at my brushes, but all of mine are big fluffy blending brushes or really like flat brushes. And so I don't really have any brushes like any of these really. So I don't really know exactly what I would use these for, but I feel like they would be nice to have for when I'm creating like a dramatic look or something and I need something different than just like my typical everyday go-to brushes. So, and this is a mini hat angled. Flat angled. I thought it said hat. I'm blind, I need glasses, oh my gosh. My far away vision is gone and now my close-up vision is too, like, that's not supposed to happen until you're old. And this one I would definitely use. I feel like this would actually be good to like clean up eyeliner because, or like clean up like around your eyeliner because it's like flat and angled. I really like these brushes. I would use, well, I don't know that I would use them all like every day because they're not like my typical kind of like, I use the same like 2 brushes every day, but I think these would be definitely really nice to have in my collection. Okay, next up, I have to do this one next. Actually, no, I have to do this one next because this is like my favorite thing ever and I think any Boxycharm. And it is the Cover FX Glitter Drops and the shade is Nova. And these sell for $44. So this is a really good one. And I'm so excited because I've seen these before in the stores and I've wanted them. I've always wanted this and I've never bought them because I'm like, oh, I don't really know how much I'd use it, but I've always like wanted it. I've always wanted this. I've always wanted this. Always seen it and always wanted it. And I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited about this. Like I'm literally so excited about it. I can't even. Like this is hands down 100% my favoriteest thing I've ever gotten in a Boxycharm ever. So these create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly Luxe Glitter Effect on the face and body. So I'm not really sure exactly what I would use this for, but I'm just really excited to have it because I've always wanted it. So anyways, I guess I'll show you what it is, but it's the the Cover FX drops, and it's like this gold, really pretty gold. I think of all the ones that they sell, this is probably the one I would buy as well, so that's really exciting. I'm just like so excited about this, like I really just can't. So it looks like this. Oh my gosh, I like can't even believe I own this. Like, I mean, it's not like I can't just go out and buy it, but it's just like something I've never really, oh my gosh. So that's what it looks like. It's just like so pretty. Like I've always like played with them in the stores, but now I have it. I didn't even have to buy it. Oh my gosh, I love that. I don't even know what to do with it though. Like it's so amazing, but like, I mean, I guess I just read what you can do with it. You could definitely do a lot. Like I feel like in the summer, like I could definitely do some really cool glowy looks with this. Really excited about this. This is definitely my favoriteest thing ever. Like I'm really excited about it. I won't go on about it anymore. Next up is this Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleaner, and this sells for $12. And it says, cleansing and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. Okay, so I have one like this from a different brand. So this is like really nice. So basically you just spray it on a tissue and then you can clean your brushes. So this is really easy, really convenient. I have another one from another brand, and it comes in a bottle and you have to like kind of like dump it out, and it's not as convenient. So the ones that come in a bottle like this where you can just spray it is so nice. Also makes it easier for like traveling and whatnot. I'm curious what it smells like because it said it's made of orange peels. Let me see if it smells like oranges. Oh, it smells really nice. It just smells like cleanser, but I kind of thought it might have like a funky orange smell, like citrusy, and I don't really like when they have a strong smell because then when I'm using the brushes I feel like it's gonna make me break out because it smells like I'm putting highly fragranted stuff on my face. But this one just smells like cleanser. It just smells like clean, so I like that. So I will definitely be using this. This smell, I don't know why the smell is such like, it literally makes no difference, but it makes a big difference for me. So next up are some little tweezers, and I like this. I've never had really any tools that I can think of like in a Boxycharm. I've never really had any like tools before. These sell for $12 and they're by the brand Farah, and it's the Galaxy Gold tweezers. So it's dual-ended tweezers, and they were created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. This unique patent design is made with surgical stainless steel. The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side tweezes away even the finest of hairs. So wow, this is really nice. I am in need of a good tweezer because I have like the crappiest tweezers ever, and so I need a good tweezer to like do my eyebrows. But they look like this. So this is one side, your typical tweezers, pretty thick. This is what the other side looks like. So this is like the more precise side. So as you can see, they're really thin. This is what the whole thing looks like. So that's like super funky looking. As you can see, I'm trying to hold it where you can see. These are definitely an upgrade for me. My eyebrows are gonna look better now. Thank you, Boxycharm. And last up is a palette, because Boxycharm always has to have a palette. I love the palettes. And this one is really nice. I love this palette. The last couple I think might have been like cool tone palettes, which like I personally prefer warm tone palettes. So got a warm tone palette, really excited about it. And this sells for $25, and it is by the brand Ace Beauty, and it is it's French. I'm not gonna, so this palette is right up my alley. Definitely the kind of thing I would wear. It actually looks similar to the one that I got in the other Boxycharm that I do wear every day. So this is definitely the kind of thing I would wear every day. But it looks like this. It's really pretty. I love it. I love this color right here. It's so pretty. I love this gold, and I love all of them. It's really pretty. This is definitely kind of the thing I would reach for. I love like the reds, oranges, warm colors, like anything like this. Like it's just really pretty. Like definitely my type of palette. Like I would go out and purchase this myself, pick it out. I love these kind of colors a lot. So I really love this palette. It's definitely, this Boxycharm pretty much all of these products I would purchase myself. Like, I love every single thing in this Boxycharm. I think this was definitely my favorite Boxycharm I've gotten since getting Boxycharms. I think if any of these things like I lost or ran out of, I would definitely repurchase. Like, I love every single thing in this Boxycharm. Let's add up and see what everything costs. This had $114 value. Like I said, the boxes only cost $20 a month, so it is a really, really good deal. Pretty much well, not every product, because a couple of these were only $12, but typically almost every product you get will pay for the box itself. So this one, there was like, the drops were really expensive, so there were a couple things that were less expensive, but typically almost each product will like pay for the box. So it's a really good deal. I love Boxycharm. It's so fun. It's like a little gift that comes to me. I never know what's in it because I never like look ahead or like whatever. But it's like so fun. It's like a little unexpected gift. Well, expected because I know I'm gonna get it, but like I never really know what's in it. Definitely check out Boxycharm if you guys are interested. I will have the link at the top of my description if you guys want to sign up. It does help me out if you guys click that link if you're gonna sign up anyways. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks, bye.